Alright guys, so I will be using all CurlMix products for this video, and I will be using the Pure Flaxseed Moisture and the Pure Flaxseed Gel. I will be using a dime size amount from each of the products, and I'm going to start raking that throughout my hair while it is slightly damp. After I have thoroughly distributed the product throughout that section, I'm going to part it into two sections, and it doesn't really matter if the sections are even because you can always kind of switch it up as you're going down. But as I'm twisting my hair, I am going to tighten it so that it starts to get tighter and tighter as I go down. This is going to help create more definition, and it's going to help keep all the moisture locked in while it is drying. Once I get to the bottom of my hair, you see me twirl it around my fingers, and this is just going to make the bottom super curly, which is going to look super cute once it's dry. And for all the people that didn't get it at first, because I know I didn't, I'm just showing you guys one more time how I wrap the hair around each other, and then how once I get to the bottom, I curl it and I don't finish twisting. Alright guys, after you have done these steps, this is what your hair should start to look like. As it dries, the twists do start to get a little bigger, but that is perfectly okay. And I'm not gonna lie, my arm did get tired. I literally started sweating. Like, I don't know why, but twists are like a full-time job. It just takes a lot of work and a lot of practice and a lot of time, but I promise these steps and these products will really help make it much easier. Guys, after I let my hair dry for about 2 hours, these are what the twists will look like. And now I'm going to show you guys how I take apart the twist, which I don't really have any special steps or any super big secret. I just don't really mess with them because it's best that once you take these apart that you just let them sit, because it gives you the perfect definition. The more you try and pull them apart and mess with them and pick them out, the less definition you will lose. So it's best to keep it the way it is because the results are already perfect. As you guys can see, these results are super defined, they're super elongated, and you really will get the perfect twist out with these CurlMix products. And to help you guys out even more, you can use code NAYSWAY for 20% off any CurlMix purchase. And if you guys like these results, don't forget to subscribe, join the curly hair family, don't forget to like and comment down below, and I will see you guys in my